Brahma says, Ishwara Parama Krishna Satchitananda Vigraha Anadir Adir Govinda Sarvakarana Karanam. Describes, people think that I am the creator, but the supreme personality of God is Sri Krishna. He is the cause of all causes. Even I come from him. Lord Shiva, who is the destroyer of everything, as Rudra, he says, Aradhananam Sarvesham Vishnu Aradhanam Param. Of all forms of worship, this worship to Sri Krishna or Vishnu is topmost because he is Supreme Lord. And Krishna, he mentions in the Bhagavad Gita, Matta parataram nanyat kinjidasti dhananjaya mai sarvamidam protam sutre manigana iva. Brahma says Krishna is God, Lord Shiva says Krishna is God, Indra says Krishna is God, Varuna says Krishna is God, Agni says Krishna is God, and Krishna says, yes, I am God.